Plans change all the time. briq.works lets you edit your project plan quickly and easily, then send updates to your team. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add and delete a task, extend the time needed for a task, and change the dates to reflect any slippage. Let's get started. So here's the program page, and we're looking at a project of mine that's been going for a few months, Smith Square. I need to make some changes to it, and I'll show you how. Let's have a look at the developed design stage. To add a task into this stage, click on the plus sign here and add your task. You can add the title of the task, the starting date, and length of time it will take to complete, and who it should be assigned to. After you save it and refresh your screen, your task will appear in the correct space in the program. If you want to delete a task, just double-click on the task in the program and click on the delete option. Simple. Let's look now at how to edit tasks when something changes. I'm going to pick Submit Planning Application to have a play around with. You can either click into it manually to make the changes you need, or drag the right-hand side of the box to extend the time you think it will take. You'll notice that the dependencies will also move other tasks that are linked to this one. And after you've made the changes, you can simply click Update here to notify your team. briq.works. Plan, track, collaborate, manage your projects beautifully.